Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Windows so you can safely modify system visuals. Back up your files and create a restore point because you will patch system files. Next, download an icon pack, cursor set, and an Explorer skin that mimic Mac OS. Install a theme patcher and a launcher replacement. These let you apply custom themes and change shell behavior. Once done, make sure the patcher runs as administrator and that your replacement launcher is set to launch at startup. Now you apply the visual files and tweak the shell. Patch the theme engine, then apply the Mac OS-like theme. This changes window Chrome, buttons, and menu styling. Install and configure a dock app. Set size, magnification, alignment, and auto-hide so it behaves like Mac OS. Replace system icons and adjust the taskbar. Move it to bottom, enable translucency, and fine-tune font smoothing for crisp text. Once configured, make sure your dock and theme apps start automatically, and test common apps to confirm consistent visuals. Finish by adding small behavioral touches that sell the Mac OS illusion. Install a Spotlight-style launcher, set a global hotkey, and index your files so search is instant. Sync cursor animations, system sounds, and desktop widgets. These subtle elements make the experience cohesive. Make sure file previews and window snapping behave predictably. If something breaks, use your restore point or boot into safe mode to uninstall the most recent change. That will undo problematic patches without wiping your custom assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.